Hi guys, hope you're doing well. Today we'll see how we can make condensed milk at home. For this, I've taken a non-stick kadhai. You can take any thick bottomed pan that you have at home. Next, I've added 3 cups of full cream milk. You can either make it with full cream milk, or if you have double toned or toned milk, you can do it with that too. To this, I've added 3/4 cup of granulated white sugar, the normal one that you use at home. Now we turn on the flame to a medium high flame. We need to stir the mixture so that the milk and the sugar come together. You can cook this mixture either on a low flame or a high flame. If you're doing it on high flame, you need to continuously scrape the sides of the pan and continuously stir the mixture so that the mixture does not stick to the bottom. You need to cook the mixture till it reduces to almost half its volume. Four to 5 minutes into the stirring, you will notice a slightly yellowish tinge into this mixture. Once you see that the mixture has reduced to half of its volume, lower the flame and add a pinch of baking soda to this. Once you add the baking soda, you will see small bubbles. Make sure that you continuously stir at this point so that it doesn't stick. At this point, you will also notice that the mixture has turned a little thick. Don't thicken it too much, otherwise once it cools down and sets, it will thicken a lot. This is the consistency that we're looking at. Once it cools down, your condensed milk is ready. Enjoy!